Today guys, we're going to cook some ribeyes on the Pit Boss Laredo 1000. Right now I'm just going to cut some of this little excess fat off of it. Get a little more uniform here. Get it more rounded. And just cut these little tails off it. Keep a little bit of fat on there. Man, it's got that nice marbling going on in there. Got a little bit of this fat off. And get more uniform, nice shape there. More restaurant style steak. Now I'm gonna crank up the heat on the Pit Boss about 375, 400, and while it's getting up to temp, I'm gonna be prepping this meat, seasoning it up. Yeah, see guys, after I did all the cutting and trimming, I showed you on one of them. I already did the other two beforehand, but that's how it should look after you cut the excess fat and little tails off the ribeyes. Make it nice and round. If you want that nice restaurant style backyard smoked steak, from fixing to get ready to season it up. Alright, here we go guys. We're going to season this up. Got my spray bottle with my olive oil in it. Just rub that in real good. As a binder to help with the seasoning, make it stick. Get it all on the sides there. And got my favorite Killer Hall steak rub. Let's season it up real good. Get patted in there, and get these edges. I like just sprinkle some on the aluminum foil here. Get it real good. Get ready to flip it over and do the other side. And flip them over. Spray it again on this side. Get a nice coating on it. There we go. And pat them and wrap them back up in this aluminum foil. And let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. Let it get good and soaked in there, and then we'll throw it out there on the smoker. Alright guys, we got the grill up to temp. I'm sitting at about 500 right now to get that sear going on. Get this steaks on here. Sit right here. I got 2 of them right now. I'm doing 3. Now I'm gonna let it sit there for 2 minutes, and then I flip them around another 2 minutes. All right, it's been 2 minutes. Flip these over. Set them over there. There we go. Let it go another 2 minutes. All right, it's been another 2 minutes. Yeah, flip them over. Yeah, look at them grill marks there. Yeah, let it go 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. On this other side. Flip them around. All right, we'll go another 2 minutes. I'm gonna set them up here, more away from the heat. We ain't got the sear we wanted. Turn the heat down to 375 and let it go for maybe 5-10 more minutes and get it up to where we want it. Medium rare and well done. Alright guys, I think they're done. I got the meat probes in there, but I'm still doing my thermal pen here. Get a better check on it. Yeah, that one's ready at 145, and that's why I want it for the medium well, medium rare. Got that at 153. That's right my target for the medium well. This one should be done too. Yeah, the 145 medium rare there. Let that one go a little bit more longer. I'm getting ready to take these things out and take a taste test. Yeah, I'm putting some of this garlic Parmesan basil butter on here. Then pour it. I already put some up under these steaks here. I'm gonna pour the other one off. Put it on top of here, and it's gonna be good. All right, we go pull this one off. Lay that right on top of that butter there. And that one's gonna be right in a little bit. All right, we're getting ready to dig in this thing and see how it turned out. Yeah, it's cutting light butter. Yeah, look at that. That's the way I like it. That was good. Turned out good. If y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.